Welcome student. Today we want to study the logic gates. We know that the logic gates which is utilized for in every digital system, and their function is depends on 1010, that is on binary system. Basically here there are three types of the logic gate. First one is the AND gate, second one is the OR gate, third one is the NOT gate. Right? This will be the three basic logic gates. And again here we get the two universal logic gates. First one is the NAND gate and second one is their NOR gate. Right? Then now here we want to verify the truth table of logic gates. But before that here we want to see the meaning of truth table. Truth table means the table which represents the every possible combinations of inputs with their corresponding output. Right? So this is nothing but the truth table. And now here we want to verify the truth table. First up here, this will be the kit of to study the logic gate. Right? Here, this will be the AND gate, this will be the OR gate, and now this will be the NOT gate. AND gate, similarly here we get the, this will be the NOR gate, and now this will be the output section. Here, there are two input terminals. So this will be the first one and now this will be the second one. Here again, to these two inputs, here we get the two knobs. This will be the first knob and now this will be the second knob. Here using this knob, we change the value of input, whether 0 or 1. Right? And again, we know that there are two inputs to the AND gate and only one output. Similarly for the OR gate also. There are two inputs and one output, but for the NOT gate, only one input and one output. Right? Similarly for the NAND and NOR gate. Again for NAND gate, there are two inputs and one output. Again for NOR gate, two input and one output. Right? Now here we want to verify this truth table. So for that here we want to take the three cables. Right? Here first of here we want to insert this wire to the first input. Right? A. Again here we want to insert here to the A. Again now this will be the second one. Right? That is the B. Again here we want to insert in B. And now this will be the output. Here we want to insert this output terminal to the output section. And again here this will be the one of the LED is given. If this LED is glow, it means that output is high. If this LED is not glow, it means that their output is low. Right? So this will be the sign of indication of high output and low output. So here first of here, we know that the function of AND gate is just like the multiplication. Here, the function of AND gate is just like the multiplication. See here. So this will be the AND gate. See here. Y which is equal to the simply A into the B. For this truth table, here we get the two inputs, that is A and B, and we get the one output. Right? Here we want to put both the inputs are there 0 0, that is low. 0 means they're low and 1 means they're high. Right? So here first of here we want to switch on this circuit or this kit. Right? Here light is glow, it means that this circuit is there in on condition, that is in working condition. Then first of here we want to keep this knob at 0 0. It means that the value of A and B is simply 0. Then the value of output which is also 0, because of here this LED is not glow. It means that their output is low. So here we want to write down that. See here. Here again we want to verify this truth table, right? So this will be the given, and now here we want to write down observed readings. Here the value of A is 0, again the value of B which is also 0. Then what we get there, 0 into 0, again here we get the 0, and again here output which is also 0, right? Now we want to take first input is there 1 and second one is there 0, that is 1 and 0. Then what we get there, again here output is 0, so again here we want to write down the simply 0. Then here we want to keep the first input is 0 and second one is there 1. Again for that here output is simply there 0, right? Now we want to keep both the inputs are there high, that is 1 1. Both the inputs are there high, that is 1 1. Then output which is also high, because of here this LED is there glow. If light is if their light LED is glow, it means that output is there high, that is 1. So here we want to write down simply 1. So 1 1, here we get the 1. It means that here we verify the truth table of this AND gate. Here if you see both the truth table, then their outputs are there same. Similarly we want to verify the OR gate. But here the function of or Boolean equation of OR gate is y which is equal to the a plus b. It means that the function of OR gate is just like the addition, right? And we know that if we add, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 0 is 1, and again 1 plus 1, here output is simply 1, that is high, not 2. Here we want to consider simply 1, right? See here. We want to see the output of the OR gate. Again here we want to insert this cable. See here. Now this will be the first and second inputs of the OR gate, and now this will be the output one. This Y which is given to the output section, right? Now here we want to keep both the inputs are there low, that is 0 0. Then their output which is also 0. See here this truth table. What you get there, 0 plus 0 is simply there 0, right? This is about the first one. Now we want to see the second one, that is 0 and 1. Here we want to keep first input is 0 and second one is there 1. Now see here, the output is there 1. Here light is glow means there output is 1. See here, 0 plus 1 is simply 1, right? Now again here we want to see the next one, that is 1 plus 0 is, again their output is 1, because of here light is glow, so that's why here we get the output is 1. See here, 1 plus 0 is 1, right? Now we want to see the third combination, right? What you get there, both the inputs are there 1 1, then their output which is also 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 means they are simply high, right? So that's why here we get the 1. So we want to write down inputs and outputs in this table, right? What we get there, 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 0 plus 1 is again there 0. Not 0. This will be the 1, because of this will be the addition simply. Then 1 plus 0 is again there 1. Then 1 plus 1 is again there simply 1. Right? Now this will be the truth table of, that is the verification of truth table of OR gate. Now similarly, now we want to see the NOT gate. You know that for NOT gate, there are only one input and we get the one output. NOT is nothing but the negation. NOT is nothing but the negation. Right? We want to see that. Here, see here, for NOT gate, what we get there? Here the Boolean equation of NOT gate is simply y, which is equal to the a bar or a negation, right? Then in this one, only one input and one output. When we keep the input is 1, that is high, then at that time their output is there simply 0. And when we keep input is low, that is 0, then at that time their output is simply 1, that is high. Right? Now we want to see that. One input and one output. So that's why here we want to neglecting this column. Here, when the input is there 0, then at that time we get the output is 1. Or when we keep the input is 1, then output is there 0. It means that we get the output exactly opposite to the input. Right? Now, this is about the NOT gate or simply basic logic gates. Now, we want to see about we want to verify the truth table of universal logic gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. See here, we want to verify the truth table of the NAND gate. Again to the NAND gate, there are 2 inputs and only 1 output. Now see, this will be the output of the NAND gate, and now this will be the 2 is the input. Then here we know the equation, that is the Boolean equation of the NAND gate. A dot B represents simply and if we give the bar to that A dot B, then we get the NAND gate. Here A dot B, so here we get the simply bar. Bar means their negation. Right? So in this way, here, what we get there in this truth table, here 0.0 is 0, but due to the negation, here we get the 1. It means that final output is there 1. Then 0.1 is 0, but again due to the negation, here we get simply 1. Right? Here 1.0 is there 0, but again due to the negation, here we get the 1. And here 1.1 is 1, but due to the negation, again we get the 0. Right? Now this will be the given truth table, but now here we want to observe that in this logic gate kit. See here, first of here we want to keep both the inputs are there low. Here that is 0 0. Then their output is simply high, that is 1. Here light is glow means their output is high, so that's why here what we get there 0 0 simply 1. Right? Again here we want to keep the first input is 0 and second one is there 1. Then 0.1 is there 0, but due to the negation, again we get the 1, that is high. So what we get there 0 1, again here simply 1. Then again here we want to change the inputs. Here first input is 1 and second one is there 0. Then what we get there 1.0 is 0, but due to the negation, what we get there simply 1. Here light is glow means their output is high. So 1, see here 1 0, simply here 1. But when we keep both the inputs are there high, that is 1 1. Then 1.1 is there 1, but due to the negation, what we get there 0. See here the output is there 0, that is low. So that's why here we want to keep here simply 0. Right? So if we compare these two tables, then here outputs are there same. It means that we verify the truth table of the NAND gate. Now similarly we want to verify the truth table of this NOR gate. See here, for the NOR gate, again here we get the 2 inputs, that is A and B. See here, right? And 1 output simply here. This will be the 1 output. Right? Then see here, again here the Boolean equation of this NOR gate is simply A plus B bar, that is A plus B whole bar. Right? It means that exactly opposite to the simply OR gate. In OR gate, what we get there 0 plus 0 is 0, otherwise 1. But in this one, what we get there 0 plus 0 is 1, otherwise 0. right? We want to verify that here. See here, 0 plus 0 is simply 1 because of this the negation. So 0, 1, again here 0, 1, 0, again 0, and 1, 1, which is also 0. Simply here, 0 plus 0 is simply there 1. Now we want to verify that. See here, 0 plus 0 is there, simply 1. So what we get there? 0 plus 0, and their final output is simply 1. Then we want to take the combination, that is 0 and 1. Again here we get the output is low, that is 0, 1 is 0. Again 1, and now this will be the 0. Again here we get the simply 0. And when we keep the both the inputs are there high, that is 1, 1. See here, 1, 1, then output is then 0. So 1, 1, here output is 0. Right? In this way, we verify the truth table of the logic gates. Right?